Not everyone follows the same path to success. For Scotty Perez, school wasn't his thing, but he always loved music.
I think it really first started with my grandfather. He was a bassist for multiple bands. I've never seen anybody do the things that he did. I've never seen anybody really influence me that much as far as my path in life.
At EVIT, Scotty built his own education pathway to meet his goals. He earned his GED through the adult education program, then dove into the welding program.
I went into class and I had already known that there was a robot welder in there. And that kind of sparked my interest, like, immediately. And it was basically left completely to me for the entire rest of the semester to just mess around with and work on and figure out.
He advanced into the structural metal fabricator apprenticeship, putting his skills to work at able steel fabricators.
That translated incredibly as far as fundamentals and just machine operation.
For Scotty, the dedication it takes to master welding mirrors the discipline of music.
Practice makes perfect. It's another thing that's very similar to a career. It's something that you really need to sit down and do every single day, and I've gotten better in everything that I've done.
Scotty's passion for music isn't just about playing. It's about carrying forward a family legacy. Inspired by his grandfather, a lifelong bassist, Scotty feels the weight and the responsibility of continuing that story.
He was a father to me, and I was the only one who really had an interest in music at the time. And with him passing, I wanted to continue that on. I mean, there's a lot of weight on your shoulders, and it's more than just the bass.
Today, this bassist, drummer, vocalist, and music programmer uses his welder's torch to fuel his music dreams, combining stability, skill, and passion.
I would like a steady job that can be relied on and that I can really grow a career in while supporting something that I'm really interested in as well.
Scotty built a future one step at a time. Your future isn't one size fits all. It's your future, your way at EVIT.